Welcome all to the series of simple equations. Today I'm going to start with basic equation. I will show you tips and tricks so that you get it right all the time. I'm going to straight jump into it. Now the very first thing I want you to do here is you have to keep x on one side of the equal to sign. Like for example, see, whenever there is an equal to sign, this is known as the left hand side of it and this is known as the right hand side. That is what they call LHS and RHS for left hand side and right hand side. We will keep x on one of the sides and everything else will jump to the other side with the opposite sign. You will understand what I mean by this. Now in opposite signs, guys, I want you to know one thing. When it is addition, you have to put the negative sign. That is the opposite of it. Subtraction, addition sign will come. Multiplication will become division and division will become multiplication. This is what I will mean by write the opposite sign throughout this lesson. So please bear this in mind. It is very easy to remember the opposite of this. Sum number 1. We have to find the value of this, that what plus 5 is going to give you 8. In this case, you know, okay, 3 plus 5 is 8, but we have to show certain steps because in future the sums will be a little more advanced. Okay, first one. X is equal to 8, which is on the right side of the equal to sign, so the sign will not change. But what will happen to 5? 5 is going to jump over the equal to sign, so we have to put the opposite sign of 5, which is negative 5. So x is 3. So now you have to put 3 here and check whether this satisfies the equation. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. I'm going to practice many sums with you guys, so things will become very clear. Next one. P, I'm changing the color of the solution, okay? P, everything else which is with P has to jump over the equal to sign and the sign has to be opposite. P is equal to 7 plus 3. P is equal to 10. Now place 10, because P is 10, place 10 over here and see whether it satisfies the equation. 10 minus 3 is 7. This is what simple equation is all about, guys. Sum number 3. 8x is 16. Now when there is no sign in between these two, that means it is multiplication, and the opposite of that is division, as I told you. X has to be isolated, is equal to 16 divided by 8. 8 ones are and 8 twos are. So the value of x is 2. Let us check. Okay, if I put 2 here, 8 twos are is 16. So this has satisfied the equation. That means you are correct. That is why I'm asking you to keep checking it. Question number 4. In question number 4, m divided by 6 is 5. We have to isolate m on the left side of the equal to sign. Any side actually, but here it is already on the left, so let us keep it on the left. M is equal to 5. Nothing of 5 will change because it is not changing its position. Now what happens here? This is in division with m. So when it jumps over or under the equal to sign, you will put multiplication for it. So m is 30. Let us see. If we put 30 over here instead of m, 30 divided by 6 is 5. Sum number 5. We have to isolate x. Oops. X is equal to, it is in multiplication with 6. So what do we do here, guys? We divide it. So the value of x is 4. I'm not going to keep checking and wasting your time now. Okay, the last time I'm checking, okay? X is 4. So we are going to put 4 here. 6 4 is 24. Sum number 6. Okay, now x is on the right side of the equal to sign. Doesn't matter. Let it remain on the right side because it is positive x. So what we are going to do instead is we will bring 3. 3 is going to jump over the equal to sign with the opposite sign. 5 plus 3 is equal to x. 8 is x. So what is the value of x? 8 is x and x is 8 both mean the same thing. So you can write it either way, okay? See, if we put 8 over here, 5 is on the left hand side is equal to 8 minus 3, which is again 5 on the right hand side. Guys, I want you to pause the video and try this on your own quickly. Just see if you're getting the correct answer. I'm right here. I'm going to help you with all the sums. Okay, I'm putting up the answers, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you all have got all the answers correct. Now in these sums, there is just one additional step, and again it is almost the same that we just did. Let us straight jump to it. Okay, first we cannot only isolate y here. So what we are going to do is first keep this as it is, shift this part, and then we will see what we have to do with 3. Okay, 3y is equal to 13 plus 8. Remember opposite sign? 3y is equal to, what is 13 plus 8, guys? It's 21. Now see, now look at it. How will you isolate y now? It is multiplied with 3. So what do? Opposite, that is divide. So the value of y is 7. You have to write y is equal to 7. Next one, quickly now. Oops. Okay, 2x we will first keep as it is. Shift 3 on the opposite side of the way equal to sign. 7 minus 3. Because it is jumping, the sign changes. 2x is equal to 4. Now x is multiplied with 2. So x is 4 divided by 2. Value of x is 2. See, here if you put 2, what happens? 2 2s is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. LHS is equal to RHS. Sum number 12. 7y is equal to, first push 18 on the other side. 17 plus 18, because it is jumping over the equal to sign, opposite sign. 7y is, what is 18 plus 17, guys? 35. Y is 35 divided by 7. 7 ones are, so the value of y is 5. Sum number 13. 2m upon 3 is 8. First, what do? We don't do anything to 2, which is with m. First, we throw the other things on the other side. 8 into 3. Why into 3? Because here it is in division. When it goes on the opposite side, opposite thing we do, that is multiplication. Now, okay, 2m is 24. M is 24 divided by 2. M is 12. Question number 14. First we will keep 3y as it is, then we will see what to do with 3. 3y is equal to 3 multiplied by 8, because 8 is in division, we do the opposite. 3y is 24, y is 24 divided by 3. 8, 3 is 24, so the value of y is 8. Oh, now look at this. There are 2 terms which has y with it. So first we bring them together and then we isolate y. 5y, see what I'm going to do here, guys. This is 5y and this is 2y. First bring 2y over here. When it is jumping over the equal to sign, the sign will change. So negative 2y becomes positive 2y. Is equal to 27 is not changing its position, so you don't change the sign. 15 is going here, so what do? 15 minus 15 becomes plus 15. 5y plus 2y is 7y. I hope you all know your addition of algebraic expressions. is equal to, what is 27 plus 15? Oh my god. Seven ones are 7, 6 are 42. So the value of y is 6. I'm doing quite a lot of sums of this type. I don't want any doubt in your head. First, what do we do here, guys? 5x, 2x. Bring them together first. 5x, 2x is jumping over the equal to sign, yes. Equal to sign, yes. So, is equal to 27 remains on the right side. Minus 15 because 15 is jumping. 3x is, what is 27 minus 15? 12. X is 12 divided by 3. Value of x is 4. You have to do a small test after this. So if you haven't understood, you can just rewind a little bit and watch it. Now a little faster. All a's on one side. 5a is jumping, so opposite sign. 7 is on the same side. 3 is jumping. Nice. Oh, now what do we do, guys? Here we want to first, we have to isolate y, but first keep this together, push this on the other side. So how do we push? 4 into 9, because 9 is in division, it goes in multiplication, is 3y. 9 4s are 36, is 3y. Now isolate y. 3 is multiplied with it, so we divide it. 12 3s is 36, so the value of y is 12. Easy, guys. I want you to try these two on your own. Pause the video, check it. I am right here. I'm going to put up the solution. Okay. Tell me in the comments, guys, that you found the value of these two as y is 5 and y is 4 correctly. If there is any confusion as to why I did a particular thing in a particular way, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.